Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S6. Let's dive into its impressive performance. The S6 boasts a powerful 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, generating 444 horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. This allows for quick acceleration, reaching 60 miles per hour in just 4.0 seconds. Paired with its legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, you get exceptional grip and stability, making every drive exhilarating yet controlled. The sport-tuned adaptive air suspension further enhances its dynamic capabilities. Moving inside, the S6 offers a truly luxurious and technologically advanced cabin. You'll find premium materials like Valcona leather and carbon fiber accents, creating a sophisticated atmosphere. The MMI Touch Response System features dual touchscreens, providing intuitive control over navigation and entertainment. Plus, the 12.3-inch Audi Virtual Cockpit offers customizable information right in your line of sight. Advanced driver assistance systems, such as Adaptive Cruise Assist, further elevate your driving experience with added safety and convenience. The Audi S6 masterfully blends thrilling performance with practical everyday usability. Despite its sporty nature, it remains a comfortable and refined sedan for daily commutes or long road trips. The spacious interior comfortably accommodates 5 passengers, and the trunk offers a generous 13.7 cubic feet of cargo capacity, perfect for luggage or groceries. Furthermore, its fuel efficiency is quite competitive for a performance vehicle, achieving an estimated 28 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a smart choice for many drivers. In conclusion, the Audi S6 presents a formidable package, combining sophisticated luxury with exhilarating performance. It's a car that truly excels in delivering a refined driving experience, backed by cutting-edge technology and a comfortable, well-appointed interior. If you're seeking a high-performance sedan that doesn't compromise on daily usability or style, the S6 is definitely worth considering. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your home spotless with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.